Welcome to 876 Manhattan Beach Boulevard. This is for unit number 2, which is a ground floor unit, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. This fourplex has been totally remodeled with new paint inside and out, new garage door openers and windows, mailboxes, and a new washer dryer, which is free for all residents. Unit number 2 is a rear unit on the ground floor with hardwood floors, fresh paint, recessed lighting, gas furnace, ceiling fan in the dining room with the beautiful sliding glass door out to the outside common area. The kitchen has microwave, dishwasher, refrigerator, and range, and granite countertops with a window to the outside. The bedroom has a ceiling fan with a large window and a large closet below with storage above. The hallway has linen storage with shelving, as well as a large closet with hanging rod. And the bathroom has a pedestal sink with a walk-in shower and a new toilet. Owner pays water and trash, so the tenant just pays gas and electric for this unit. If interested in applying or viewing, go to jmco.com.